Okay, this is a homework. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, you give the user an incorrect word and ask him to spell it, the correct word. Let's say donkey. Then if the word is correct word, you increase the score by 1. Of course, you have to say correct dot dot dot. The current score is 1, and then you show the next word. This word is misspelled. Apricot. So it should be apricot. Then correct. The current score is 2. This word is misspelled. Scapegoat something. G-A-O-T. If he enters scapegoat, maybe you say sorry dot dot dot. The current score you decrease by 1. Then go back to the next word. This word is misspelled. Accomplish. So you should compare. Let's say he's got tired of it and he wants to quit. You just quit. Alright. So how do we accomplish this program? The initial data structure, I'm going to give it to you, and how you accomplish this is something, it's up to you. For instance, I am storing the words, okay, in a 2-dimensional array. For instance, it's up to you how you do it. Okay, the way I implemented, I always store the correct words, even the correct words in alternate rows. The same word, the one you showed to the user, the incorrect one, you store it in the next row. Alright? So it goes on. So correct word, incorrect word, correct word, incorrect word. It goes on. Okay? You store as many words as you want. In this case, I stored donkey. And the incorrect word D-N-O-K-E-Y. Okay? Like that. So you always show to the user the incorrect words. And when he enters, say, when the user enters D-O-N-K-E-Y and enters, you compare this string with the string with the correct word. You compare. If they are same, you bump up the score by 1. And go to the next word, incorrect word, which is here. I spelled as apricot, right? Something like that. You compare again. So it goes on. When the user enters quit, you exit the program. Okay? Now, I'm going to put this program in your canvas. So the initialization part, you have to go ahead and add more words. Okay, add more words the way it is. And I'm going to show you how to traverse the incorrect words only. Here, for instance, I start with row number 1 and I plus 2. So I can traverse the words. Okay, for instance, the printf, when you're dealing with strings, you always need the address, right? So how do we accomplish the address? If you have a two-dimensional array, all right, let's say this is spell, this is a two-dimensional array. The first cell, first row, right? Each row is a string. Each row is a string. So to get the address of the first row is nothing but spell 0 will get you the address of this first cell. That's how two-dimensional arrays work. To get the second row number, this is row 0, this is row 1, right? To get that, spell 1 will get you the address of the next row, first cell of the next row. To get the address of the next row, row number 2, you just say spell 2. So always in a two-dimensional, if you don't specify the next dimension and specify the row, right, you'll always get the address. To get the cell, let's say you want to get just the cell here, then you say spell 3 and 0. This will give you the cell value in it. Yeah? And that's what I did here. I used this method, spell from I equal to 1, I equal to I plus 2, and this is how I traverse the array. Oops. I've asked you I written the algorithm for you here. This is a sample program, okay? Traverse the array. You can remove all these things when you program. That's ask him to enter the correct word, compare the word with the stored word. If it is same, then increase the score by 1. All right. Now store it. You see, I have traversed just the incorrect words. Okay, I given the program how to traverse using the address of the first. The rest of the algorithm you have to complete just like the way I showed you. Okay, thank you.